What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Sushiswap, which did bump up over 25% earlier today. However, it has taken a slight dip over the last couple of hours, currently trading at 92 cents, and did head over the dollar mark earlier today. So we'll be going through what is next for Sushiswap for the rest of July and over the next few months for the rest of 2025. Is this a good investment? Should you sell it, or should you simply hold on to it? Again, crypto market overall, it is up right now, including Bitcoin, which is trading at $117,000, which did drop from about $123,000 earlier this week. So again, it is crypto, it is a volatile market. So today is all about Sushiswap, looking at can it essentially hit $4 or $5 towards the end of the year, and if so, when is a good time to buy. But before I go any further, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video to enter the giveaway. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So at the bottom, looking at the RSI, it is currently at 79.04, meaning it is more on the overvalued side, hence why we are seeing it drop back down right now. So if I zoom in a little bit further into the hourly chart, we can see red candles, and it is likely to drop down a little bit further, down to around 85 cents in value is where I'm predicting it to drop down to over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to gain value again, going towards the end of this week, going into next week, potentially heading closer to $1.20, $1.30 by mid to end of next week. So essentially towards the end of July and early August. If we get on the MACD indicator at the bottom here, we can also see that the MACD line is looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and indeed trading below the signal line, which is not looking too great, indicating more red candles for Sushiswap over the next couple of hours and potentially over the weekend as well. Minimal drops in value are predicted. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart over the next few days, now we're looking quite bullish. However, the MACD line, which is the blue line here, is looking a little bit too steep to be realistic. The only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taking place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace. However, that is not true. So essentially towards the end of next week and the week after, so end of July, early August, I am predicting Sushiswap to be trading around $1.30, $1.35, potentially getting closer to $1.50 is what my current predictions are at the moment. But again, if you guys do want regular updates on Sushiswap, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again the MACD line is looking a little bit too steep, exact same reason as the previous chart. But in this case, over the next few months, going into late August, September, October, I am again expecting Sushiswap to be trading over the $2 mark, guys. Reason for that is I am predicting Bitcoin to be heading over $145,000, potentially hitting $150,000 in Q4 over the next couple of months, which then this should have a major positive impact on the crypto market. We should see more green candles and majority of the cryptocurrencies heading upwards. And again, XRP is doing absolutely insane right now, with hitting a new all-time high, and it is likely to go way higher than where it is at the moment by the end of this year. So if we also bring out the Bollinger Band here at the top, we have the red line, which is the upper band of the Bollinger Band. That is the maximum level or value Sushiswap should be trading at according to the current market. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value here at 93 cents, and that is another indicator telling us the crypto is slightly overvalued. So again, it should take a minimal dip down, price correction over the coming hours, as mentioned, dropping down just below 85 cents. And that should align with the red line, and yeah, that would make it much more sustainable. And then we should see slow and steady increases in value going into August, September, October. So yeah, at the moment Sushiswap has been performing very well, other than the little price correction that's likely to take place over the long term. Over the next few weeks and months, I am predicting huge increases in value, potentially hitting $3 to $3.50 by the end of the year, potentially even touching $4, depending of course on how the crypto market performs. Again, trading volume right now is up 376%, currently at $336 million. Over the week, the crypto has done 24% increase, and over the month a huge 52%. So far so good for Sushiswap, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys predicting this crypto to go in 2025? A lot of people have been saying $5-10, which again, $10 is out of the question. It's very unlikely to hit $10. However, $5 is a reasonable number. Let me know your end of year target for this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.